Hi, my name is Cindy, and I'm going to walk you through two very popular hair systems within the skin-based family. So here we have our famous M101, and then we also have our new M101 Basic. So now I've had a lot of questions. What is the real difference between the regular M101 and the basic M101? And this video is going to walk you through what the similarities are and what the differences are. So now let's talk about the similarities between the both. So both hair systems are skin-based, so they are made with polyurethane, and the knots are identical. The hair densities are very similar as well, and the front hairline is super natural. They're both easy to attach, the hair type is the same, pretty much they're very close together. So now let's get to the differences between both hair systems. The M101 Basic was made in response to the pandemic, and therefore we had to create a hair system very quickly with the same qualities as our regular hair systems. Now, the one major difference that you will notice right off the bat is the size. The regular M101 is an 8x10 and the basic is a 7x9. So now another difference that you'll notice between the M101 and the M101 Basic is the base itself. You can see here there's a nice glowy shine and it looks perfectly even throughout the entire hair system on the M101. With the Basic, you'll notice a lot of the knotting ridges, and that's because this hair was produced much more quickly than the M101. With the M101, the base has been sprayed on top of the hair knots, creating a very even glossy finish. With the M101 Basic, they kind of skip that part, and that is why you see the ridges at the top. And the last thing that you'll notice about the M101 regular and the M101 Basic is sometimes the hair density, there's quite a bit of some variance. With the M101, the consistency of the hair density remains the same with every purchase. With the M101 Basic, you may find slightly higher variance between each hair system you purchase with the M101 Basic. However, the hair type is still the same, the quality is still the same, the knots are still the same, practically the same hair system, just three major differences. For more product information videos, head over to www.superhairpieces.com.